Hi, if you want to count your steps on Huawei Watch Fit 4, all you have to do is just go to your apps and on the top is the application like workout. So click on it and here is the two features like indoor walk and outdoor walk. So if you are inside of building in your job or something like that, take indoor walk and if you are outside, take in outdoor walk. So let's take outdoor walks for example and just click go here. And as you can see, here is the all the statistics of your walking. And if you are scroll down, here is the steps counter. If you want to just cancel it, just click this crown button and here is the red button to just end the workout. So actually that's all. Here is the two features to count steps. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.